Where'd Mom go?
You done already?
No, I haven't done the back ones yet.
You have to do the back ones? Why?
Because. Look in there.
Oh.
Can I have your back feet?
I'm also hoping I can get it as sounds, because I want to be a multimedia presentation. It'll be good for posterity anyway.
Hey. You're okay.
Really isn't that too bad.
Okay, we're done. Sorry, kitty.
He forgives you.
You're okay.